In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open daily notes automatically in Obsidian, so every time you start the app, you land right in today's entry without lifting a finger. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, open Obsidian and load up your vault. Once you're in, head over to Settings and click on Core Plugins. Look for Daily Notes in the list and toggle it on. This activates the built-in Daily Note module that gives you a dedicated command to open today's note. Next, still in Settings, go to the Daily Notes section. Here you can set your date format, something like YMMDD is standard and sorts beautifully, and you can optionally choose a folder to keep all your daily notes organized in one place. Now, to make Obsidian open that daily note automatically, go to Settings and then Files and Links. Turn on Open Last File on Startup. This is the key setting. It tells Obsidian to remember and reopen the last note you had open when you close the app. The trick is to make sure that last note is always today's daily note. To set that up, press Ctrl or Command+P to open the command palette, then search for Open Today's Daily Note and select it. That opens today's page. Now right-click on the tab or click the pin icon to pin it. Pinning the tab keeps it from being replaced when you open other notes, so Obsidian always sees it as the last open file. If you want an even cleaner solution, consider installing the Homepage plugin from the Community Plugins list. You can set your daily note as the home page, which forces it to open every time you start Obsidian, regardless of what else was open. Alternatively, use the Workspaces feature to save a workspace layout that includes your daily note, then restore that layout on startup. Either way, test it by closing Obsidian entirely and reopening it. If your daily note loads automatically, you're set. For a more polished workflow, enable the Templates plugin, create a template for your daily note, and attach it in the Daily Note settings. Make sure the Create If Missing option is enabled so that if you haven't opened today yet, Obsidian generates a fresh note from your template. You can also assign a hotkey to the Open Today's Daily Note command for quick access within your session and combine it with the Calendar plugin, so clicking any date on the calendar opens that day's note directly. Double-check your folder location in the Daily Notes settings to make sure everything lands where you expect. And that's the result. You open Obsidian, and you're instantly dropped into your daily note, ready to write, plan, or capture key ideas without delay. Thanks for watching, and happy journaling.